Hey guys, my name's Joel. I'm an owner of a roofing company. We're a small business, do around $2 million of sales a year. And I just wanted to share with you how I'm using AI currently in my business. I think there's a really huge opportunities for business owners, especially smaller businesses who don't have the finances or don't have the big teams built out. So here are the three ways. The first way is marketing. Often I'll write an ad, be like, it doesn't sound great. It's not exactly what I want. And I can put that into AI, and I can get AI to give me other options, rewrite it in a way that's more engaging, which is a pretty great way. The second way is to use it for finances. I've used it often if I want to find the break-even point of my business quickly. I forget the formula. You just say, hey, AI, can you give me the break-even point? Enter in a couple numbers, and it'll output your break-even point for you. That also a great one is you can actually put your profit and loss statement into AI and get it to analyze it. It's not perfect. I wouldn't base multi-million-dollar decisions on it, but it's a good way to just get a quick check to make sure that you're on track for what you should be doing. And the third way, I really love this. I just figured out that I could do this is through to create programs from my website. So I just built myself, or AI built me, a calculator on my website where people can enter the square footage of their house, and it will output a price based on my square footage of a roof. You need to know a couple formulas, but I asked AI to write it. And then it wrote it. I put it on my website, wanted a couple more options. So I asked it to give me options for asphalt, metal, a couple different options of shingles. And it outputted the entire code. I could just copy and paste it into my website. And it works great. Yeah, who knew that we could, someone like me who has no clue about coding could get AI to help code part of my website. So those are the three ways I use it. I think it's a great tool. I'm excited to actually see where it's going from now on. Hopefully this helps some of you guys. Please subscribe if you want some more tips. I'm going to try to get on here more and offer some of the things that I've learned in the last 10 years of my business. Okay, thanks. Have a great day.